FAIR transformational technique stands, or its abbreviation for focus, acceptance, integration of resistance. So, to make the long story short, everything that exists in this expression of reality has beginning and has the end. And everything has to flow. What happens, reason why we have something repressed and suppressed is because we are avoiding to face it, or we are avoiding to accept it, to acknowledge it, so everything has to be first acknowledged, accepted, then experienced completely, because everything, we're here for the purpose of the experience, then integrate the energy emotional charge from it, and then it's released. Everything has to have its own flow. If it doesn't flow, then it's stuck. Where is it stuck? It's stuck within you. And how is that? You are the one holding it in prison within yourself. You are the one holding it anchored in within yourself. Let's say you feel angry or mad, and you go into some meeting, and you know that at that meeting you're not allowed to express, oh, I mean, it's not culturally accepted to be angry or upset. So what do? You suppress that emotion consciously. You say, okay, I'm gonna put that anger inside of myself. I hide it for right now. I'm gonna go in the meeting and I'm gonna pretend that I'm happy, and I'll deal with that anger later. You go in a meeting, you change your shift, you shift your mood here and there, not much, but you try to. And then you suppress that emotion consciously. So what happens is that suppressed emotion of anger, it's present, and you carry it with you everywhere you go until you do the session and you integrate it completely. What you do is you are holding all this energy of emotional charge that you are wasting while suppressing it within yourself, because it takes a lot of energy to push it down, to resist it, to not accept it, to ignore it, to push it away. So you're wasting your own energy. That's how we get sick, by the way. That's how people get ill, just by wasting so much energy, and that energy needs to be utilized for the other organs, for the other functions in your body. That's a conscious suppression. In the next video, I'm going to talk about unconscious ones.